going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com. I want to show you how to make money listening to music. This is completely legit. I've made a lot of money with it. You see there, I made $94.61 in reviews. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make money with this. So I'm going to click on this notepad with the pen, and it's going to take me to a song. And basically what it is, a song will play, and you just have to write a review on it. You have to write a review for at least a minute and 30 seconds of listening to it, and then just basically write an honest review of what you think of the song. Like, you don't have to lie or anything like that. Just an honest review, just because the people that upload music on here, they want to, get people's feedback on, how their songs are, so they can, know what to improve, what not to change, things like that. So I just basically, write about what I think of the song. You want to make a good review in the sense of, you kind of want to talk about, the artist, talk about the instruments. Like, you don't have to go into deep detail unless you want to, but just kind of mention those things, what you think about it, just a good clean review. And like I said, let it do it. Let the song play for a minute and 30 seconds. And then after that, you'll be able to submit it. You'll see here as I'm typing, that bottom orange line is continuing to fill up. That bar has to be completely full in order for you to submit it, because they want to make sure that it's long enough and it's a real review. And I will tell you that they do actually read these reviews. So don't just write anything, because, doing that, you can put your account in jeopardy of, getting deleted or banned or something like that. So just write a real review, letting the bar fill all the way up. So I'll continue to write what I think. And you won't be able to submit it until a minute and 30 seconds has played and the bar is filled. So both of those things have to be complete. And so when you're done with that, that gray next box, it'll actually turn orange, letting you know that you can actually submit it now. So I'm just going to finish this review, and I'm going to show you how instantly they're going to credit me for doing this. So now I have enough. Let me just finish this last little sentence. Then when I'm done with that, I can actually push next, rate what I think of it, 0 to 10. I'll give it an 8, click done, and then wait for it to credit me. And I got 21 cents for that review. So just like that, I go back to the home page. Now my balances went up to $6.46. So, that's how easy it is to make money with this. So I'm going to do one more just to, show you how easy it is. You probably get the drift of it by now, but, it's really simple. A way that is very underrated as far as making money online, because, we're all focused on, the surveys and the offers and the videos, but this is a nice, clean, easy way to make money. Just listen to music. A lot of us listen to music anyway, so now you can get paid to listen to music and get reviews or leave reviews for it. So, it just makes, an easy way to make money with it. Again, I'm just doing another review. The same thing applies, at least a minute and 30 seconds, and let that second orange bar fill all the way up. As far as what they will pay you per review, you will get more money for your reviews if you just continue to, leave reviews on music. The more you send it, the more it's okay, this person is active on the website, so let's continue to, send them more songs and let's pay them more. They'll give you more songs and they'll pay you more, so that's basically putting more money in your pocket. So, that's just easy how it works. I've been using this site, so I think I signed up in 2009, but it's kind of been off and on with it. I've been using it for a while, but, it's just one of those, websites I just kind of go back to every now and then. I was off on it for a few years or whatever, but, I just had a lot of things going on. But now I'm really back on it, full time, making, really good money with it. I'm cashing out at least twice a week with this site, and I'll show you how to cash out on this site as well. But like I said, it's a really easy way to make money. So I'm just going to finish this review here. Now I'm just going to wait for that timer to fill all the way up, and then I can submit it like I did the last one. And that was orange, so finish this sentence and then click next. Now I can rate what I think about it, and I'll give it a 9, click done, and wait for them to credit me. And another 21 cents. So just like that, go back to my home page. Now my balance went up from $6 to $6.67. So there you have it. It's very easy. In order to cash out, you have to have a minimum of $10. It does not take long to reach that when you're making 20 cents per review. That's not bad at all. So I'll leave the link to sign up in the description. They have a website you can use on your app on your phone as well. So either one is, it's basically the same thing. You're going to get, music reviews. So I'll leave a link to it to sign up. You can choose which one you want to do. I actually do it both. I do it on the website and on my phone just because sometimes I'm on the go and I want to, make a little money, while I'm out and about. So really easy way to make money listening to music. Link is in the description. Sign up today. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.